Lucy.
I'm Sarah.
And we're going to show you the new Shout issues that's out now.
The brand new bag, we've got Do It Like Dua Lipa, Ariana Grande selfies, we've got our boy band special, all our free gifts, and you can win a GHD hairdryer.
Plus we've got 8 free posters.
We've got some really cute glasses.
Really cute.
Really cute! I think I see these glasses, not gonna lie. I might like, I think this is gonna be my new look. And look, Adrian's on the bag.
Hey.
She's her cover star.
Yeah. I like them better than my own glasses.
Oh yeah. I mean, I actually wish I needed glasses.
There's something cooler about those than there is, yeah, wearing my ones.
Do you remember when like you used to get like 3D cinema glasses
And
and pop the lenses out so
yeah.
you could wear glasses? I used to all the time.
Same. I had about 5 different coloured ones.
They just made me look a lot like my dad. I really like these rose gold nails. They look a lot like the ones that I already have on. So when they all fall off eventually, I put these ones on.
They're so shiny. They're
really
super metallic. I don't know if you can see.
What's that? Is it like chrome? You know, like
Yeah, they're like chrome rose
finish.
gold.
Really
You
cool.
can see your face in them.
Also got these really cute inspo stickers. They're like little plasters. They look really cute. They've got loads of little inspo quotes. Eat, sleep, slay, repeat.
Me.
You got this. Shine like a diamond.
Not me.
Giving you all that motivation.
Yeah, I like you got this. I'm just gonna start putting those all over my house.
Eat, sleep, slay, repeat.
Oh,
That's massive.
and they're a really good little size, so
You could put them on the back of
yeah,
your
on the
phone.
back of your phone.
Have you like seen them?
Really cute.
Oh, and we've got a gorgeous, massive photo of Dua Lipa, who we
Love
absolutely love.
I really like that cover.
And do you know, I really like the pink. Like
It
it's
pops
really,
on the
it's
grey.
proper like bright neon highlighter pink.
It's my favourite colour of pink. Like I buy so many things and I call it shout pink. And like you know when you get your nails done, I'm like I'll have shout pink please. And it's not shout pink to the guy in the nail place, but
It is shout. It's so
It's
summery
really
as
nice.
well, the pink, the blues, the yellows, and then we've got like a big festival fashion feature.
Excited
And
for that.
I'm just getting all the summer vibes, just saying. Oh, we've got our new content
Yeah,
page.
this is exciting. So we've got our brand new content. It's changed up a bit. We've still got most of the same things, but
you'll still find your way through the magazine.
yeah, it's just a bit easier to follow, and we've got a lovely little pic of Looking for Lewis, and it's his first column in this issue, which is super exciting.
Very exciting. He's such a babe. I absolutely love Lewis. He was so nice at Hangout.
It's really cool.
Epic Fail's also got a new look.
But it's
love
still
it,
just
I feel.
as embarrassing.
Just as embarrassing. Oh, Shoutette's got, everything's got a new look. This new issue is like,
very exciting issue.
it's cute. Slide, oh I love this page.
Yes.
So
I love
obviously,
that.
like the sliders.
Sliders.
So sliders are like the in thing right now apparently.
Huge for summer.
Big summer vibes to this, and I think this page is just really cute. I absolutely love
And
it.
you can win.
Oh, you can win them! Oh my
You can
gosh.
win
I need to try
cute little pair of
sliders.
slides.
I just think that you would just keep going. Maybe I'd like
Literally
that sliding and then you just keep sliding.
I might have to get these unicorn ones for my
The Primark
holiday.
ones, so cute.
Crush calculator, so you can calculate how much you and your crush are meant to be.
I believe the crush
How
calculator
compatible.
is 100% accurate.
Oh yeah.
Every single time I've got a crush now, I do the crush calculator and it's always
You've
right.
got to.
You've got to. If you do put someone through the crush calculator and you get 36%, they're not worth
Yeah,
it.
no.
Move on.
Lewis's column.
Oh yeah, so we've got every issue now for the next few issues we're gonna have like a really awesome column with Lewis. And this one's all about like
all his
all the
faves,
things that he's
really,
loving
yeah.
and
What he's
stuff for
loving right
summer.
now.
Lewis looks so good that I would follow everything he says.
Oh my god.
So if it's in the Lewis column, you bet I went and bought it because
And I love that it's all affordable stuff, like
Yeah.
Primark, like yeah.
That's also affordable. Lewis has got our back. Oh, love it. Shout Loud Heroes, so this is like every issue, people that we're loving around a certain theme, and these are all gals that are shouting about their achievements. We've got Little Mix and Emma Watson, and it's just super cute.
100% YouTube.
Oh, do you want to talk about the Coachella?
Oh, Coachella was such a fashion inspiration weekend, or 2 weekends. Looking at all the fashion from Coachella, it just makes you want to transport yourself to the nearest festival. Like, we've looked at Beyonce, Rihanna looked fabulous the entire time. So we tried to find, you know, pieces on the high street that you can add to your summer outfit
Get
that
that
will make you look
Coachella vibe.
Coachella vibe. Get it going, you know, so we're all Rihanna and Beyonce. We also have Danielle Pisa. She did a interview with us about how she would do her hair if she was going to Coachella, because that's a thing I think you forget about.
Yeah,
you know,
everyone always speaks about the outfits, but
It's
all about the
so
hair.
hard as well, because
Yeah.
you're going for like a few days, you want a hairstyle that will just sit for all those days and you don't have to fuck with it.
A little bit of dry shampoo.
Like a lot of dry shampoo.
You don't want anything that's going to be, I mean, my hair's always in my face, so if I go to a festival and it's all pretty and braided and all these such things, it ends up here, just tied up in a big mess by about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And this is the feature where you could win a GHD travel hairdryer, and that would be in good time for your summer holiday.
Oh girl,
Love it.
that's really exciting. I love that Coachella's just turned into like another sort of red carpet.
Yeah,
Like, it's not about the festival, it's about what everyone's wearing.
Yeah, I couldn't tell you who played at Coachella.
Yeah. And then we have Do It Like You All, and a nice big poster, and then all the things that we absolutely love about Dua Lipa, which is pretty much everything. But we tried to pick our favourites.
Oh,
Guys, it's New York Club.
Jackie is very excited about this.
I actually love these guys. They're so nice, and like I got to speak to them again and had an interview all about their Shepherd's Bush tour, and it was like the cutest thing.
I just love that. Nando's is life.
Nando's is life. So that's a big, massive New Hope Club special.
So that was the new issue. Hope you guys like the look of it. We're super excited for you to get your hands on it. You can pick it up in major supermarkets.
You can also follow us on our social media. All the links are in the description below, and remember to click like and subscribe.
Yay, thanks. See ya.
Bye.